Good morning, everyone. In today's class, again, I will start that computer organization chapter. And as per syllabus, we will go and share screen for you. And I will open the syllabus point to you that I have stored in onto desktop in my folder, I think. And then here I will take term-wise syllabus 11 and 12. Computer system, basic computer organization, introduction. We have started an assembly interpreter application software. We were okay. Then operating system functions of operating system we have done. OS user interface. Okay. Just see that what is this point. Book में तो ऐसा कुछ है. I don't think it's mentioned in the book. OS user interface. So I'll start and check in Google. What is it? OS user interface. OS user interface. The user interface, write it. The user interface is the point at which human users interact with a computer, website, or application. The goal of effective UI is to make the user's experience easy, requiring minimum effort on the user's part to receive maximum desired outcome. Noted? Intuitive, requiring minimum effort on the user's part. You write easy words. No need to write each and everything. The goal of effective UI is to make the users interactive with the system, requiring minimum effort on the user part to receive maximum desired result, outcome. Whatever you write, it's up to you. Some popular modern graphical user examples include Microsoft Windows, Mac OS, Ubuntu, and so on. So the Windows which we are using is a user interface example because we can interact easily with the machine and we can achieve maximum outcome from it just by clicking, using the different types of graphical interface units. It provides us the folders, icons, drives, all available on single click. Understood? So next point of syllabus, please show thumbs up. We have understood and written the definition. An example are Microsoft Windows you are using. That's why we say Microsoft Windows operating system is a user interface platform also. Okay. Come to the next point. OS user interface हो गया. Boolean logic, not and or NAND nor X. Actually the next point is your Boolean algebra. So be ready for this. This is logical maths which I am going to teach you. Very, very simple. In your arithmetical expressions, you get result from 0 to 9. Decimal number system which has base 10, we get the result between 0 to 9. Correct, Akshat, or not? What I am talking to you.
Yes, sir.
If we work with the binary number system, then binary number system has base 2, so that we will get only 2 digits, that is 0 and 1. 0 stands for false, 1 stands for true. Electronic machine works on these zeros and ones. That is flip-flops or on off. Point is clear? If you have hexadecimal number system, then you have something else and so on. So I'm going point wise. So Boolean logic is given first, number system is given afterward. Now you tell me which part I should teach first, Boolean algebra or number system. I have no problem in teaching anyone. You are interested in which? The Boolean algebra or you are interested in number system? So we'll go sequence wise Boolean logics. Okay, Boolean algebra. You write it Boolean logic or Boolean algebra. So right definition, it was developed by George Boole. It was developed by George Boole. Actually, George Boole has not written Boolean algebra by name Boolean algebra. He has actually written two topics, that is investigation of law of thoughts and logical algebra sort of things. So, but after that, people have decided that as he has worked on it, so they have named this maths or algebra Boolean algebra on his name, just to give respect. Boolean algebra. समझ में आया? हिस्ट्री पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, फिर भी बता दिया थोड़ी सी. So George Boole. Got it? Now, what is Boolean algebra? A Boolean algebra works on true or false values or 0 or 1s. लाओ थोड़ा बुक से देख लेते हैं. देखो जॉर्ज बुले ने जो बुक he has written the paper Boolean's revolutionary paper, an investigation of the laws of thought, that was his was published in 1854, which led to the development of the new system, the algebra of logic. So Boolean algebra or Boolean logic we call it as after that, so named after him. Boolean work remained confined to papers only until 1930, when Claudius Shannon wrote a paper titled A Symbolic Analysis of Relay Switching Circuit, and so on. So no need to go such detail. Okay. So as I told you, Boolean algebra works on 2 digits, 0s or 1, or true or false values. It effectively deals with the binary values. It is also called as switching algebra. Enough definition. Now, first point, you come here in Boolean algebra, binary valued quantities. One thing you always remember in Boolean algebra, we have only two values. true, false, 1, 0. So either variables are there in Boolean algebra, they will take only two values, 0 or 1. Boolean quantities are there are only true or false. Boolean constants are there are also true or false. So zeros and ones के अलावा कुछ और नहीं. Boolean expression result, that is also either 0 or 1. Point is clear? Boolean algebra में सिर्फ ये दो चीज. Either a variable that will also take two values. Either as a quantity or a constant, it is true or false. Expression result always true or false, 0 or 1. Point is clear to you? Give response. कुछ ज्यादा हो गया. सिंपल सी बात पढ़ा रहा हूं बेटा. I'm not teaching anything very difficult. Rijo, is it clear to you? True, false, बस इसके अलावा कोई रिजल्ट नहीं होगा. 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1. And that is why, see, computer works on binary bits, bytes, etc. So all our basic unit is 0 or 1. And as I told you of flip-flops, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, off. Okay. So binary valued quantities. The binary value quantities are either true or false or 0 or 1. Next, binary valued variables. Binary valued variables. These variables only takes two values, zeros or 1, true or false. It takes two values, 1 or 0, that is true or false. Now we'll come to the logical operators. Logical operators. Boolean supports three logical operators, basic three logical operators. Number one, not. It makes true value to false and false to true. Unary operator, as I told you while teaching Python. And binary operator works between two variable or expression. It returns a value true when both the values are true. If any one of the value is false, result is false. Or it is a binary operator, same as works between two operands or expressions. Returns true if any of the value is true. Returns true when any of the value is true. Returns false when both the values are false. So these points I have already discussed and I already taught to you in Python programming, how it works, not and or. Very well explained with relational operator also. Programming के साथ. ठीक है? Now we'll learn this in Boolean algebra. Mathematically, logically. Not that other mathematics is logical maths, very simple. Those who have like having problem with maths, just take it easy. This is very, very simple maths, logical maths, not that other maths. So first, not. Caps small as you write, no problem. Not. So when we use not, I will use words. ताकि आपको बात क्लियर हो जाए। और आई विल यूज दिस ओनली, कोई बात नहीं। टूल ड्रॉ a, suppose a is a variable and I have to write not, so just either you write a line here on this is a naught, or you write a and then write in this way. Oh, yeah. This of a dash sign, a naught. Okay, a or simple like this, a naught, or you write a and then you write this a naught, or you write expressions such as a plus b, and you want to give whole knot, so round bracket and then you write it, or you can write a plus b and whole knot you want to give it. This way also it will work. Point is clear. The operator is not operator is clear. Yes or no? नॉट वही है, बट ऑपरेटर कैसे यूज करेंगे, ए के ऊपर नॉट कैसे लगाएंगे, दैट मच आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग. एंड इन योर science student physics also you have to learn. I don't know if it's a part of syllabus or not, but previously you had this in your syllabus. A naught clear हो गया. Now next is your and. And कैसे लिखेंगे? Suppose we are having a and it works between two operands, so we'll just simply write a dot sign, a dot b, that is and. Understood? A dot b is and, or a and this intersection sign you normally take, that is also somewhat sometimes used, but most of the time this one is used. Okay, most of the time this symbol is used, dot. Clear to you? Is it clear? नॉट के लिए डैश लगाएंगे और एंड के लिए डॉट लगाएंगे. ये इंटरसेक्शन साइन दिया है, उसकी जरूरत नहीं है, मुझे फिर भी बता दिया. और के लिए we'll use, for or we will use a and b, and I will write plus sign for it. Plus sign will be used for or. Clear है? Or you will use union sign, you can say b. b कैपिटल लिख दिया, स्मॉल ले सकते हैं, कैपिटल स्मॉल कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, कोई दिक्कत नहीं. So this is or operator. 199% in your exams and all we will use this plus sign. Point is clear? So three operators I will use. When I use the bar sign or the upper dash sign, that means it is a not sign. If I use dot between two a and b, that means it is an and operator. And if I'm using plus, that means or operator. समझ में आ गया? चलिए. So I'll go for the next. Now I will take expression just to explain it more. थोड़ा सा लॉजिकल बन जाओ मेरे साथ. I am taking one expression here. So I am teaching you like board only. Suppose this white screen here, which is available, is your whiteboard. Now here I am using an expression. Find the value of the following Boolean expression. Find the result, find the value of a Boolean expression. Suppose A is equals to 1. 1 stands for true. B is equals to 0. C is equals to 1. Please note it down in your copy. And we have to find the value of function ABC. First, I will take very simple example. Is equals to A dot B naught plus B dot C. What will be the result of it? अब आपको मैं 1 सेकंड में बता सकता हूं कि इसका रिजल्ट 1 होगा. अब आपको फर्स्ट टाइम कर रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम आप फटाक से बता सकते हैं क्योंकि कितना सिंपल है. एक बात आपको समझाता हूं बेटा, पहले समझिए, प्लीज पे अटेंशन. 0.1.1.1 इज इक्वल टू 0. आप सिंपल मैथ्स में भी समझे या लॉजिकली, एनी ऑफ द वैल्यू इन एंड इज 0, द रिजल्ट इज 0. दैट इज द डेफिनेशन. सो डेफिनेशन के हिसाब से ये 0 है. नाउ normally you call it as 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3, but here it is 1 only. Why? Even this is 1. Plus 0. 1 plus 1 plus 0. This is also 1. This is not arithmetical algebra, arithmetical normal arithmetics. It's not a decimal number, it's a binary number. We have only two results, 0s and 1. And what R states? R states that any of the value is true. These all values are true, result is 1. Out of 3, 1 value is true. 2 values are true, result is true. Understood? So never say 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equals to 3. It is 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1 only. And 1 plus 0 plus 0 plus 1 is equals to 1 only. Understood or not? Logical things clear? No response. Only one thumbs up. Rest all are not getting that means. So I'll explain it more. So some more hands up has come. What I am telling you is basic definition. Not true value को false कर देगा, false को true कर देगा. And में dot है and operator. Dot लगते ही आप मैथ्स में भी dot लगते ही zero करते हैं. Same way here also. 0.1.1.1, but this dot will not call it as multiplication, will call it as AND operator. Result is 0. In plus, plus stands for OR operator. OR operator says that any of the values true, result is true. Now it's clear to you or not? Should I go more on it? Most of you, all of you show thumbs up, then only I'll go. If one thumbs up is not there, that means I will keep on teaching you this. So most all of you, okay, clear. Now we are going to solve this. ये तो आपका रफ था, इसको रफ छोड़ो. Now what is the value of A? 1. What is the value of B? 0. And 0 पे not है, ध्यान रखना. Plus, what is the value of B? 0. What is the value of C? 1. Is equals to, late हो रही class. Last option, next class I'll teach you more. Now, order of precedence. बॉडमास आपने सुना है. ऑर्डर ऑफ प्रीसिडेंस क्या होगा? कौन सा ऑपरेटर पहले प्रोसेस होगा? दैट इज द मीनिंग. So here the order of precedence is not and or, not and or. In one expression, in one bracket, not and or. Understood or not? Like bracket, BODMAS, of, division, multiplication, addition, subtraction, same way. That is known as order of precedence. So this result is now 1 dot 0 का not 1 हो गया, plus 0 dot anything is 0. मैंने बहुत पहले बता दिया था रिजल्ट, 1 सेकेंड में. This is 1 and this is plus 0 and the result is 1 plus 0 is equals to 1. अब आप पूछ सकते हो कि आपने सर कैसे बता दिया था रिजल्ट. तो मैंने सिर्फ ए और बी को देखा. ए इज 1, बी का नॉट 0, 1 हो गया, तो 1.1 इज 1 प्लस एनीथिंग इज 1. सो मैंने आगे सोचा ही नहीं, तो रिजल्ट इज 1. अंडरस्टूड? दिस एक्सप्रेशन इज क्लियर टू यू? The answer which we have got 1 is clear to you or not? I'll give more example in next class. Naman, point is clear? Okay. So I'll stop my class here. We'll meet in the next class. Till then, goodbye. Have a nice day. Do you want to write it? So wait, I will share screen for 1 more minute. Oh, that was the annotation tool. So gone, no problem. Next class, I will take more. So stop share and end my class. Bye.